Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to fix AirPod double tap issue. If your AirPod double tap is not working, put it back on your AirPod case, and what you can do is open this case and what you can do is open your cover and press on this button right here. It will reset both AirPods, and also what you can do is just turn it on and then go on your AirPods, go on the Bluetooth, and then head straight to your settings, and there you can find this device, and there go down and tap on this forget the device, and you can repair it. And after that you should be able to fix the AirPod double tap not working. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.